Hello viewers, recently I got a comment on my video that I was previously posted on YouTube related to the ORDS issues. The most common issues we are facing during the ORDS installation configuration, and then after the restart of server or a laptop we facing during starting the ORDS as a standalone Apex. So I was explain it on my YouTube channel. If you go and just write the etech wise, so on top there is my video related to ORDS most common issues. So I encourage you, if you facing any error related to ORDS, you can see this whole video. But in this video I will show you one of the common thing that are facing by some of my viewers. So if I go to my ORDS directory, I'm already in. If I run the command java-jar ords.war, you can see a warning here that support for executing java-jar ords.war has been deprecated. Here are some instructions related to this warning, and they also given the usage how we can use that ORDS. But in my case, if I run the complete command uh, that was start from the later ORDS version. By the way, I'm using the ORDS 24.4, and I think it's from beginning of 20.4. The java-jar ords.war has been deprecated. So so the new commands, with the new commands, if I run it in the same way, so it was just giving me the error. But in most of cases for my viewers, they are not able to run it. So if I run it, it was perfectly working with me. So you can see I have run the same command with my configuration folder, and with the serve keyword that is used for launching the ORDS in a standalone mode. So my Apex is running perfectly fine. If I go to my local host and my port of standalone ORDS, so my Apex is running. So in your case, if you are not able to execute it in perfect way, you can use this command also, java-jar ords.war, and then the config keyword, and then inverted commas, and in that inverted commas you can paste your configuration directory path, complete path, and then any of the keyword that we use to launch our ORDS. So it will also resolve your issue. But if you permanently resolve it, so for that you need to uh, follow these step. Like in my case, if I just run the ORDS without any prefix or postfix, and my configuration directory with the config keyword and configuration directory complete path and serve, so you can see it's running in my case. So how I have resolved that? For that you have to go to your computer PC properties. Once you go into the properties, you can go to advanced system setting and the environment variable, and this path system variable. You need to edit it, and you need to add the ORDS path with the pin directory. So if when you add that, you are able to access the ORDS without any prefix or postfix, like prefix is Java -jar or ords.war. So without .war postfix, you can easily access the ORDS with this command. So you can see now the warning is not here, and we are perfectly able to execute our command with just ords keyword, and with our configuration complete path. If you make these setting once by entering any entering an entry with the environment variable, you are able to access it without any path changing. Like if I just run the cmd with administrator mode, so you can see with just ords I'm able to run the ords. So here I was on my ORDS path, but in this Windows I am just on my Windows System 32. That is my CMD administrator path, and I am able to access my ORDS, and I'm able to access my Apex perfectly fine. So that's it for this video. Do like, subscribe, and share the channel content. Thank you.